Good morning everyone. Hope you're all well. I've got first earlies, kestrel to plant, although I need to get the ground ready. That's my first job. So yeah, let's go and have a look at what I need to do because I need to kind of get rid of this grass and then plant them. Yeah. But before that, let's just go back in the shed and have a look at my beetroot. I need to put these on 100%, but I'm absolutely out of seed potting on compost, so I need to get some urgently. But the broad beans are going to plant them out. Cucumber are appearing. Oh, and the sweet peas are showing. Oh, and Mel, look at what I did. You said to put the toilet rolls in a support and then you just lift out. I think that was a brilliant idea. I've never done that. And look, I mean, sweet peas are happy. They're coming. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Right. I better crack on with digging, but before I start digging, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'm going to try and aim to get 2,000 subscribers before the end of April. If you can help me achieve that, that would be absolutely amazing. It really helps the channel grow, and I 100% appreciate it. It's free as well. You just subscribe and hopefully watch the vlogs. That would be fantastic. And thank you to everybody who has subscribed so far. Right, I better crack on with this digging. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. I would have done the no dig method, but I really need to get these new potatoes out, and I need to have this plot 26 at 50% cultivation, which just means simply bare earth, so grass, etc. isn't cultivated land. So it just helps towards that 50%, because I think I'm running at 30% maybe. I'm not sure, maybe even slightly less than that. So I've got to crack on. Okay. Yeah, let's crack on. See you in a bit. Just trying to check the measurements. 10 of new first earlies, kestrel, but I think I'll carry on because I've got another first early or second early, I can't remember now, but I think I'll dig that over ready for that batch next time. Yeah, oh, of course, I haven't done that for a long time. I'm just going to go through it and pull out all the grass weeds and then create the depths, and then we're going to plant the tubers. Or the seed potatoes. See you in a bit. Oh, right, kestrels. Let's get these in. 5 on each row. I've dug the first hole, but when I dig the second hole, it kind of helps me fill the first hole. Yeah, so I've checked measurements, 25 centimetres apart and 60 centimetres width row, but it's close, it's tight, but it's just in, so fantastic. Just enough. I don't have to do any more digging because I tell you, it's hard. I've forgotten. that's good. Oh my God, I can't believe I actually managed to do that. They're in, and I quite like this. I got this idea from another allotment here, and I think it's really nice. Let's see if the wind doesn't take it off. I'm not sure yet. Because I saw her, she had hers hanging like that, and I don't know whether she attached them with anything. But yeah, the first earlies are in. I have more potatoes, and I'm going to plant some at home as well, because we're going to get some main crops, because we love Maris Piper, as a lot of you already know. Oh, I need a coffee. I'm going to sit outside. It's so nice. See you in a bit. Oh, look at me, covered in mud. Oh, now I need this. Cheers, everybody. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Must be getting fitter. Oh, it's hot. Chili seeds. Not all of them have germinated, but 3 have. Well, let's have another look. I mean, I don't think I'll be able to show you on the camera. It's so small. But I'm going to sow the ones that have germinated and take home. So far, 1, 2, definitely 3, maybe 4 actually. With the light of the, that's pretty good. Oh, I don't know if you can see. I really don't, but I can give it a go. No, probably not. But I brought my tweezers because they are so small, and we're so just in a little pot to get them. They need to get. I've got only a small amount of potting compost. I must buy some ASAP. Maybe over the weekend. Oh, let's have a look at comments, because I haven't managed to reply. I've been watching Slow Horses on Apple TV, and I think Apple TV have a 3-month free trial. And if you, I think if that's still going, that 3-month free trial, I highly recommend Slow Horses. It's absolutely one of the best things I've watched on telly for a very long time. Gary Oldman, is it Oldman? I think so. Gary Oldman is the main character. It's spooks relating to MI5, but Slow Horses, they're sort of like the MI5 agents who've kind of messed up, and they're put into this sort of side department. It's so good, honestly. It's funny. You're on the edge of your seat most of the time, and there's currently 3 series, and they've done the 4th, and there will be a 5th, based on Mike Heron's books. I don't know if I've got this first name right, even his second name I'm not sure. But honestly, check it out. You'll love it. It's so good. Oh, I'm on the wrong channel. I'm on the cooking one. Let me get onto the plot 25. It's early in the morning. I came here early today. So if I can get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of April, I'm currently on 1,765. I'll be absolutely stoked. Susie Spearing, you did say, Kerry, you're at least a month too early on the cucumbers and melons and French beans. They grow fast and won't take any cold. End of April and then plant out first week in June. Same with squash. I think you're right. It's called sort of ovaritis keenness. Keen ovaritis. Yeah, I will try and, I mean, I've sown them now, but what I'll probably do is try and protect them, fleece, etc. Charmaine Johnson, you said, how about blackcurrants? They grow well in the UK. I know from experience. Someone's coming, so I'll just be quiet for a minute. Hi, you're right. Yes, Charmaine, I have one currant bush. I might get more. My birthday's coming up in May. It's always a great time to get nursery plants. That's what I tend to. That's where I got the plum tree and the apple tree were birthday presents. I've got one currant. I don't know what colour it is, ironically, but it's alive. So we'll probably find out this year what colour it is, because it didn't fruit last year, being it was, in at the wrong time, which is fine, because you don't expect. But I might do more of a sort of fruiting area on the left of plot 25. I think that's a good idea. So I need more. I've only got one. In fact, the rhubarb is coming along like Trojans. I wonder if is it the right time to harvest rhubarb? Shall we have a quick look? When to harvest rhubarb?
harvested from late April or May, while early varieties can be picked from March or April. How do you know then? How do you know? How do you know when rhubarb is ripe? So long stems, dark red in colour, streaked green with fully unfurled leaves, all until around. So that's, yeah. I'll have to have a little look. They look quite green at the moment. So Karen Twinton, you said all coming along nicely. Thank you, Karen. Think cold, wet weather hasn't helped. The roll holder may go a bit soggy, but it's fine as you plant the whole thing and it will break down. When in the ground, main thing is they don't like roots being moved. I think you'll find they will spread in time. It's funny, it's so nice you said that, because Mel, on one of the last vlogs, you said about you put your toilet roll, you do your toilet roll, but you put it in a little container, like a pot that's similar in size, obviously filled with a little bit of soil so it's stable, and then obviously when it's in this little pot like I did there, because after I'd read your comment I redid them, kind of got them in quickly, and I'm really glad I did. It's such a good idea, and I'd never thought to do that ever in the past, so it's one of those brand new tips that really help. So and then when you come to planting, all you've got to do is kind of grab it out of its pot without disturbing the roots and plonk the whole thing, because the cardboard does get very soggy and malleable, you know, it sort of falls apart, but you can just sort of, brilliant. And the sweet peas are coming, so I'm very excited about sweet peas. I really need to plant my Christmas tree. I know it sounds mad, but it's over there, because that's going to be a sweet pea support. Just kind of a fun thing to do with your old Christmas tree. I hope it works, because, well, it should do really, because you just grow around it, around the sort of stumpy stems of the branches. I should get that in soon, I think. I need more cardboard urgently, especially to get this to get this cultivated. I need to sort out these strawberries. Gonna have to sort of figure about that soon, actually, because that will just be a matter of putting the fork in, loosening it, and then pulling out the strawberries, getting rid of all this grass, and maybe putting them back in the soil with a bit of compost as well to sort of feed them. Oh, what else have you said? Oh, Linda C. Hi, Kerry. Wow, your allotment is coming along nicely together. Thank you, Linda. Oh, Sarah Bleasdale. Refreshing to see a plot that's flat with no edged raised beds. I'm totally guilty of that. Oh, so I can't do raised beds. It's just the wood, and I was doing no dig, so it was just, yeah, you know, that just meant just lay the cardboard down. I didn't have to worry about wood, and in fact I do have some old inherited raised beds that I want to get rid of. The wood's rotting. I keep meaning to bring the crowbar to kind of like prise them off, because I need to flatten that, funnily enough. But thank you, Sarah, it's nice of you to comment. Sylvia Bradley, you said I am also tired of buying lettuce. I was able to grow lettuce, chard and pea shoots over winter in my cold frame this year. I had enough greens for a couple of salads a week. I plan to grow even more next winter. My spring lettuce is in the raised bed now. Good luck. Thank you. Thanks, Sylvia. That's really nice. Oh, do you know what? I wouldn't mind a polytunnel. A small one, you know. Maybe one day. That would be nice. I don't know where I'd put it though, to be fair. The only really place I could see is over there. Yeah, that's something for the future, I think. Oh, right. Well, if you haven't subscribed by now, never mind, but please think about it. And I'm going to go now, because I'm going to go home, edit this and get it out. I was hoping to see Mr. Robin, but he didn't come, never mind. One day, I hope to see him. There was a Robin watching me from over there when I was digging, but he didn't come over, but just a bit too shy at the moment. Yeah. But thanks everybody, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.